Hi there, this is Sharmin here. In this video, I'm going to talk about electrolysis of molten salts. Alright, so let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to define the electrolysis and also describe the movement of the ions to electrodes and state the products of electrolysis for different electrolytes. Alright. So what is electrolysis? So electrolysis is the breakdown of a compound using an electrical current. What is an electrolyte? An electrolyte is a substance which conducts electricity when molten or in solution. Electrolytes contain free-moving ions which are attracted to the oppositely charged electrodes. The electrodes connect to a DC supply. So that means it's a substance that breaks up into ions when it's dissolved in water or body fluids. For example, here is ions are sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride, and phosphate. Now I'm going to talk about the cathode. So the cathode is a negatively charged electrode in electrolysis, and positively charged ion move toward the cathode. Now I'm going to talk about anode. So anode is the positively charged electrode in an electrolysis. So negatively charged ions move towards the anode. So this is the difference between cathode and anode. Here's one example, that is calcium chloride. Positively charged calcium ions move to the negative electrode where they gain electrons to form calcium atoms. Negatively charged chloride ions move to the positive electrode where they lose electrons, become atoms, and pair up to form chlorine molecules. So an electrolyte is a substance that will conduct electricity when dissolved in water or when molten. All salts and some polar covalent compounds are electrolytes. Lead bromide. Molten lead bromide is an electrolyte. During electrolysis, positive lead ions gain electrons at the cathode and become Pb atoms, and negative bromide ions lose electrons at the anode and become that is the bromide atoms, which pair up to form bromide uh, molecules. So lead forms at the negative electrodes and bromide, that is, forms at the positive electrode. Here's some example, that is extracting, purifying, and cleaning metals. So that is the other things electrolysis can be used for. Thanks class, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe and comments, leave a comments. See you later.